So here was my statement to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo and Gina Sedjo, even to Victor Martin Soriano. Please, three of you, just quit on your making a bunch of bomb joke in social media. You know, for me, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, because you're saying a bomb joke in Davao City that will cause 5 years imprisonment. Oh, you will pay 40,000 pesos. Oh, even you, Gina Sedjo, even you, Victor Martin Soriano, yung all three of you will pay uh, 40,000 pesos for the violation who made a bomb joke, or that will be 5 years imprisonment. So bomb joke is not really funny. Oh, do you know the time when I say a bomb joke in social media? You know, Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, do not make a bomb joke in social media. People there are very offended what you are saying. Oh, very offended. Do you know the time when I make a bomb joke? When I was in in CDIFI. Bomb joke I remember Bill Galang. Oh, Bill Galang said in Tagalog in way back 2012 when I was in CDIFI. What was Bill Galang said? Sunugin ko ang CDIFI. Oh, Bill Galang had regret his consequence. So Bill Galang learned how to change himself. He said that he will never do that again. Oh, and he apologized to the anyone. Oh, even he apologized to teacher Mirna. Oh, he apologized. Oh, he never do that again. So Bill Galang learns how to change himself, but he never do that again. I remember Ralph Guevara. Oh, Ralph Guevara said in Tagalog, year 2008, in the years of Ma'am Jessa Fernandez, he said that in Tagalog, Bill, not Bill Galang, it's Ralph Guevara, my friend. My friend Ralph Guevara said that, what is it, Tagalog? I mean, he said in Tagalog, my friend Ralph Guevara, he said that, sabugin kong CDIFI. So, Ralph Guevara says, oh, and Ralph Guevara never supposed to say that, oh, Ralph Guevara is already matured, oh, we have to be matured, oh, because me, during the time in my blog, I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Jean Asedio, do not make a bomb joke, oh, because it's really offended, oh. You know, for Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sedjo, and Victor Martin Soriano, aka Harveta, do not make a bomb joke. Because, you know, when I was told by Joseph Maspinas, or when I was told by John Paul Enriquez, when I was told by Mr. Dennis Gill, oh, when I was told um, by Ate Nenet Manalo, bomb joke, it's not funny. Oh, bomb joke is causing a threat. Oh, you know me, during the time, I never supposed to say a bomb joke In 2006, when the years of Teacher Maxi, when I made the bomb, when I say it was akin kong si DIFI, I said it, no, I will never do that. Oh, because that is uh, offended. Oh, that's not good. For me, best pills, Arnel Castillo, Gina Sejo, and Victor Martin Soriano. Quit on your making a bomb joke in social media. You know, for Gina Sejo and Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Victor Martin Soriano. You know who Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and Jean Asedio, especially Victor Martin Soriano, aka Harveta. Three of you, just quit on your making a bomb joke in social media. Oh, what was told by Teacher Desi, the teacher of Rapasoko. Bomb joke is not really a funny. Bomb joke, it's a criminal offense. Have you heard about bomb joke? It's a criminal offense. That's not good. Even in a place, you're never supposed to say a bomb joke. Davao City, I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano, aka Harveta, it's a fine city. During the time when there is a mayor, Rodrigo Duterte, he was a mayor at Davao year 2013 until 2016. And there's Sara Duterte when she was a mayor of Davao in 2016 until 2022. And there's her brother, Sebastian Duterte, who was a mayor of Davao since 2022. In Davao City, they don't like bomb joke. It's a fine city. If you see in the place in Davao City, I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, and even Jean Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano. You see in Davao is a fine city. Davao. Because I said it, Quezon City is not my hometown also. My hometown is Davao City. My hometown is Texas in US. My hometown is Singapore. I'm not threatened to destroy Davao. There's my friend Jerick Silva. There is my friend Evoj. There is my friend Joseph Maspinas. And there is my the uncle of Paulo Cua, Zari. Even my friend Paulo Cua was in Cotabato. You should never threaten to destroy Davao City. Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano. Because Davao City is a fine city. You know my friend Paulo Cua and Zari are staying in Davao. Because they like in Davao. I never been in Davao City. I never been in Davao in first time. Carbilo's been there in Davao. Even Sir Calvin Cuevas, his hometown is Davao City. Even the blogger of YouTube contenter, Bogart Explorer, he's from Davao City. Do not threaten to destroy Davao City. I say to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano. That's not good. Do not threaten. Because I'm saying to Best Pills, Arnel Castillo, Jean Asedio, and Victor Martin Soriano, I just wanna three of you to demand all of your fucking bomb joke, and three of you must apologize to the people of Davao. That's all I could say.